I have the extremely awesome product, the Redgear 7.1 USB gaming headphones. So without wasting the time, let's get started.
Subscribe to my channel to see the latest unboxing videos to your mobile.
So here's the package of Redgear Combo 7.1 USB gaming headphones. So let's unbox it without wasting the time. So here is the package of Redgear. I got it in 700 rupees. Sorry. Here is the Combo 7.1. Here are the features. You can read it. 7.1 virtual surrounding gaming headset, full size over ear headset design, noise cancellation mic, very good compass. And on left side it is only tournament edition written here, and this is the headset picture. And here are the it is working USB, and it has a remote to control RGB lights with microphone inbuilt. Here are the specifications. You can read it. Okay, pause the video and read it. Okay. Now let's unbox it. If you are a professional gamer, you are recommended to this headphones. So this is a main unit, headphones, RGB light. Okay, and let's keep it aside. Now let's the box content inside it. This is a RGB here Redgear sticker to stick in the laptop. Here is a driver to install in the laptop. And here is the user guide. Okay, and nothing in the box. Now let's go to the headphones. Here is a headphone with leather ear cups with leather band. Okay, here is a mic, and this is the remote. This is the remote. You can see this is volume up, volume down, microphone settings, and this is RGB control. Okay, and let's go to the PC to show the hard driver settings. Here is the disc. Now you have to insert it in the CD-ROM. Now you have to select English here. Let's zoom in. Okay. Now press the next button. Read the instructions. Now press the next button. It is installing now. Now you have to connect the headphones to the PC as shown in the above video. Here is the driver. After connecting, you can use it. Here is the another method you can install the driver by Google Chrome. Please wait. Type here Redgear Cosmo 7.1 USB gaming headphones driver. Now click here the first search. Now find the Redgear Cosmo 7.1 Redgear. Now install it and enjoy. I hope you all have cleared your doubts regarding this. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay? Bye.